Vision is an important part of an elite athlete's arsenal, and so for anybody who wants to play sports successfully. No one knows that better than Dr. Michael Peters of Eye Care Associates and also author of See to Play. Dr. Peters, you've actually come up with some exercises that all of us can do to improve our vision.
Actually, a lot of athletes are using eye exercises these days to become better because the eyes are part of the whole package. As a matter of fact, they're what we take in first. That's how we see and react. And so two chapters in my book are about exercises to help people with their vision system, improve it, help with the eye-hand coordination, help with the eye focusing. One of the neat tools that we used to use a long time ago were strobe lights, but now Nike's got involved and they've got these cool little Nike strobe specs. And
so I'm going to the disco now?
Yeah, we're going to the disco. We're actually going to put you through a series of some exercises right now.
So put these on?
Yeah, put those on, and while you're putting them on, Ashley, you can stand right over there and get ready to throw the ball. And I'll tell you that Pete Friesen used these with the Carolina Hurricanes, so you can go ahead and start catching. And the goalies actually improved 17% by using this exercise. So what
Does Cam Ward use this?
He's been through this exercise, yes. And what you're doing is we've got visual noise in front of your eyes. It's making it harder for you to see the ball.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, and what I'm going to have you do here after you throw it to Ashley is take the glasses up real quick and catch the ball now and tell me what you see.
The ball's gotten bigger.
The ball's gotten bigger. Most athletes, when they're in the zone, they talk about how the ball looks bigger, how the world moves a little bit slower. So we use this type of exercise to help athletes get into the zone. Now, if you'll stop for just a minute, I want to show you one other reason we use these. And I've got a balance board. We do a lot of rehab with concussion patients. And one thing with the eyes, and I'm going to let you step on this for a minute, but let me just go ahead and step on up. We have proprioceptors in our body that tell us about space and time and balance. And what we're going to do now is have you put those glasses on, and the same thing here, you're going to notice that it's a little harder to catch.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're really throwing your body for a loop right now. We're throwing your brain for a loop right now.
Okay, I'm like at maximum effort here, Doc.
Exactly right. And we're really throwing your brain a bunch of noise. And if you'll take those glasses off for a minute, you'll notice it'll be a little easier to regain your balance. Isn't that kind of neat?
A little bit better.
So we're actually training your brain, and you guys can stop and do a little chubby checker there. But yeah, we can stop. So, but that gives you an idea of how we actually train the eyes, and there for a minute we were training the mind to help slow down visual noise. And the other thing I talk about real quick is concentration. We actually help athletes work with visualization to get ready for their event. But again, a lot of different exercises that elite athletes use. These are tools that we use to help people get into the zone and help them perform to be the best.
All right, excellent. Dr. Peters, thank you so much. For more information on how you can get into the zone visually, just go to eyecareassociatesnc.com.